Have you ever wondered if Tide accounts are truly free? There's a lot of buzz out there about this popular banking app, but is the cost-free claim really accurate? Let's dive in and find out. Tide has gained a reputation for offering a range of financial services, including business current accounts, personal accounts, and even credit cards. But the real question on everyone's mind is, does this come with a price tag? The free account myth. While Tide does offer a free business current account, it's important to understand that free doesn't always mean exactly what it seems. There are certain conditions and limitations attached to these accounts. Hidden costs and fees. Let's break down some of the potential costs that might be associated with a Tide account. Transaction fees. While many transactions might be free, there could be charges for certain types of transactions, such as international payments or withdrawals from ATMs outside the Tide network. Monthly account fees. While the basic account might be free, there could be premium features or additional services that come with a monthly fee. Currency conversion fees. If you're dealing with foreign currencies, you might encounter fees for converting funds. Overdraft fees. If you overdraw your account, you could face charges. Understanding the fine print. To get a clear picture of the costs involved, it's crucial to read the terms and conditions of the Tide account you're interested in. Look for specific details about fees, charges, and any hidden costs that might apply. Comparing Tide to other banks. To get a better understanding of the value proposition of Tide accounts, it's helpful to compare them to traditional banks. Are the fees competitive? What other benefits do Tide accounts offer? Case studies. To provide real-world examples, let's look at some case studies of people who have used Tide accounts. Have they encountered any unexpected fees or charges? What has their overall experience been like? Tips for minimizing costs. If you're considering a Tide account, here are some tips to help you minimize potential costs. Read the fine print. As mentioned earlier, carefully review the terms and conditions to understand all the fees and charges. Avoid overdrafts. Monitor your account balance closely to prevent overdrafts, which can lead to costly fees. Use Tide services wisely. Make the most of the free services offered by Tide and be mindful of any additional features that might come with fees. Consider alternatives. If you're concerned about potential costs, explore other banking options that might better suit your needs. So, are Tide accounts truly free? While the basic account might not have a direct monthly fee, there are various factors to consider, such as transaction fees, currency conversion charges, and potential overdraft costs. It's essential to do your research and weigh the benefits against the potential expenses before making a decision. If you're interested in learning more about Tide accounts or exploring other banking options, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.